Welcome to this tutorial on how to do a custom order in Etsy. As an Etsy seller, offering custom orders can help you stand out from the competition and increase customer satisfaction. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of creating a custom order in Etsy. First, you need to make sure that your shop and listings are set up to allow custom orders. To do this, go to your shop settings and click on the Options tab. Scroll down to the Custom Orders section and select the checkbox that says Allow Custom Orders. Next, you need to create a custom order listing. This listing should include all the details that a customer needs to know about the custom order process, including what types of customizations are available, how long it will take to complete the order, and how much it will cost. When a customer places a custom order, you will receive a message from them with their specifications. Respond to this message as soon as possible to confirm the details of the order and ask any questions you may have. Make sure to keep all communication with the customer in the Messages section of Etsy, as this will help you keep track of the order and provide a paper trail in case of any disputes. Once you have confirmed the details of the order, you can create a custom listing for the customer. To do this, go to the Sold Orders section of your shop and click on the Create a Custom Order button. Fill in the details of the order, including the price and any variations or upgrades. After you have created the custom listing, you can send an invoice to the customer. Make sure to include all the details of the order, including the price and any shipping costs. The customer can then pay for the order through the invoice, and you can start working on the custom order. Finally, once the custom order is complete, package it carefully and ship it to the customer. Make sure to include a personalized note and any other details that the customer requested. Follow up with the customer after the order has been shipped to make sure they are happy with their purchase and to request feedback. By following these steps, you can create a custom order in Etsy and provide your customers with a unique and personalized shopping experience. Remember to always communicate clearly with your customers and keep all communication in the Messages section of Etsy. With a little practice, you can master the custom order process and increase customer satisfaction in your Etsy shop.